The dynamic clamps. Primary supports are attached to the steel structure using dynamic clamping systems. The respective flange widths, beam shapes and bearing functions must be taken into account. SuCri uses an intelligent shortcode system to quickly and efficiently attach the clamping systems to the existing supports. Each Module 1 manufacturer extension contains an index sheet for the individual clamping systems of the respective manufacturer. This can be found in your content folder. Find the right size for you and enter the index number in the clamp property. The clamping system is added automatically. After placement, the clamping systems can also be adjusted in width, similar to the supports themselves. The adjustment ranges according to the manufacturer's specifications were also taken into account. See you in the next video.